I'm going to talk about what are called the Watanabe rabbits. It's my favorite thing to talk about. The Watanabe rabbits were a breed of rabbits that had high cholesterol, and they came from Japan. These rabbits were put in a lab, fed identical amounts of food, the same amount of fat, same amount of exercise, and then they took these rabbits, euthanized them, killed them, and looked to see how much heart disease they had. Well, about a third of them didn't have a lot of heart disease. The next third had moderate, and then some had severe. Well, if they're all genetically so similar, why would this be? They reconstructed the room, and this room had tiers, and the lab person, was a short woman, and she talked to all the rabbits on the lower tiers. They were the healthy ones. And the farther you got up and the more away they were, the more disease they had. So they thought, well, maybe this thing is a mistake. Maybe there's actually, by chance this happened to happen. So they took these rabbits and set up another experiment. Same amount of food, same amount of exercise, same amount of fat. And what they changed was they took one rabbit away from its family and kept moving it. And invariably, the rabbit that was moved away from its family and kept being moved was the one that developed coronary artery disease. It works for rabbits. We've seen it in cultures. We know that it happens in cultures. A culture could eat unhealthy food. If it's done in a more social environment, they have less disease. So there's much more to disease than we really understand.